The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Welcome to our new session. I think you all got your exam timetable, so prepare well. Okay students, we'll see you on that time. Okay, so let me start with what is a software and the different type of software. Do you know what is a software? Yes, the set of instructions. And what are the different softwares? Yes, we have two type of software. One is system software and another one is application software. Is it? So system software, we know that Windows and Ubuntu. It is an examples. Is it? It is an interface between the user and the computer system. Okay. And we have studied about the different application softwares. So application softwares means it is used to perform a specific task. Is it? And we have studied the different application softwares. Is it? Can you say any softwares? Yes, Inkscape we have used for graphic editing. And another one is LibreOffice, that is Office packages, LibreOffice and LibreOffice Base for database management systems. Is it? And another one is we have studied about to create map and observing map. Is it? Yes. Like that we have studied the different application softwares. Next we are going to study about an interesting software, that is to create animation. So we are going to use that software to create 2D animation by using different images. Let's see what is that. Okay. So mainly an animation we have two types, that is 2D animations and 3D animation. We have 3D animation softwares which is used to create cartoon movies and films like that. Do you know which is the first 3D film in India? Yes, that is Kochadaya. Okay. Do you know the first animation film or animation video which have created in world? That is Phantasmagoria. Okay. So I will show you that video. Okay, or it is available in YouTube. Just go through that. Which uses the stick figures. That means a line and a circle. Okay. So let's start our session. Okay, fine. So your chapter's name is Moving Images. Using images we can create an animation video. Let's see what is that. So mainly you have to follow these three steps by creating an animation, movie or video. First what you have to do, find any story. What is the main content or what is the thing you have to do in that video. Okay, you have to keep a content in your mind. Another one is designing characters. The next step is designing characters. Okay, and another one is preparing a storyboard. That is the scene by scene. You have to get it in your mind or you have a written script in that. Okay, which content you have to apply first and another one. Okay, like that you have to create a particular stages. Okay, these are the main stages you have to do in your animation video. Clear? Next one is, what is an animation? Do you know that what is an animation? It is an illusion. Actually, images are moving one by one, but we have a perception in our eyes. So, it is an illusion which is created by some images. Okay, we are applying some and that is movement and it will work with that. So, images in a fast and continuous manner. We are applying the images in a fast moving effect. Okay, and this is the technology, it depends upon the persistence of eyes. So, within 1.6 seconds, it will be in our eyes. Okay, in one image, it will be in our eyes. So, within that seconds, it will move in that. it will create an effect, moving effects in that. Okay, so mainly we are studying these softwares and we are going to study about Synfig Studio. Okay, it is a 2D animation software, and next one is 2P 2D. It is also a 2D animation software, and another one is Pencil, and another one is Adobe Flash. In that we can create 2D and 3D animations. So it is based on Windows. Like this, you have different softwares to use to create an animation, movies, okay, or videos. Clear? So next is, what is Synfig Studio? Which software? That is the software which we have studied. Okay, Synfig Studio is a 2D animation and it is created by Robert B. Kottler. Okay, and this application is used to create a 2D animation. Okay, let's see how it is working, and it is available in Windows, Linux, and Apple and Mac OS. Okay, so here, this is the window. By open Synfig Studio, you will get the window like this. So here you have different tools, toolbox. It is available, and here is the canvas. Like Inkscape, we have the different tools and canvas. Here you can give the background color, or like that. You have the different shape. Here you can apply, or else you can import your image. Clear? And here it is the layers. Like GIMP, you can use the layers effect, so you can apply the different images and you can easily edit. Okay, but you have to change. And next one is the track panel. Here we are going to give the frames. So we know that in a video we have the different frame sections. Each and every image it will be in frames. So generally we have 24 frames. Okay, in that we can move the contents. We'll show you in the practical session. So next one is the parameter panels. Here whatever the content we have selected, it will be displayed here. In that you can change its properties and the contents. Okay, if you want to change the color by changing, that is by moving it, you can change in that. We'll show you that. Okay, so this is the main content, and you can find the maximum tools which is available in GIMP also. That is, you will be familiar in that. Clear? Okay, this is the GIMP toolbox, and here it is the Synfig Studio toolbox. Okay, it is similar. Clear? So that's why it is included here. Okay, students. And so students, let's start our activity. So today we are going to discuss about the graphic software Synfig Studio, which we are using to do the 2D animation. Okay, so first go to application, graphics, and Synfig Studio. Here you can see that create and edit 2D animation. So today we are going to discuss what is the components and the toolbox in Synfig Studio. Okay, so here this is the toolbox which we are using, the different tools which is similar to GIMP toolbox, is it? So here it is the transform tool. By using this you can adjust the size of this images. Okay, and here also the smooth tool which we are using to move. Okay, and same as circle, rectangle, star, gradient tool, that is a pencil tool, text tool. Okay, so like this we have the different tools we are using while editing the images. And next here it is the canvas, which is similar to Inkscape. If you want any background section, means you can select the content. Now I am drawing the background using the rectangle tool. Okay, if you want to adjust, means just select the transform tool. Here you can adjust the objects. Okay, if you want to select any colors, means you can fill the color. Okay, here you can select the fill tool and outline tool. So just select the tool, the color, and just fill out. Okay, here you can see that. So this is the layers which we are using in this section. So this is the layer palette, and here it is the properties sections. So if you want to change the color, means here you can adjust. So just select and change. Okay, so like this you have this sections in this Synfig Studio. Here it is the content which we are using to edit the images while using the animation section. So here is the here it is the play option and forward option. Here we are using the frames. Okay, and here it is the animation editing mode. So now I am going to draw a star which is moving from the place to. Okay, so here I am just selecting the star. If you want to adjust its size means here you can adjust, and it's the point which we have to use means here. Okay, so while applying the animation, just activate animation editing mode. So we have to open, so it will change its color. Okay, now you can do the animation with 120 frames. This is the minimum frame which we are using. Okay, and just start with that and 120 frame. Okay, so and now you can move the stars by using the section transform tool or else the move tool. Okay, so this will apply the movement of the star. Okay, it's a simple animation technique, and after that just turn off the animation editing mode. Okay, now just go to the 0 frame. Here it is the frame sections. Okay, and play the animation. Here you have the play button, so you can see that movement of the star which we have applied. Okay, clear? So like this you can apply the animation for the images or the objects like that. Okay, so today we are discussing these sections. Just go through and complete your steps. Okay, and note down the different palettes. Note down the different palettes which is available in this Fix Studio window. Okay, so we'll see you on the next class. Complete your notes and study well for your exam. Okay.